Sir, ekadikena purvena.
Very good. We started with the first sutra, that is ekadikena purvena. Ekadikena purvena means
more than one, sir, means
By one more than one before.
by one more than the previous one, by one more than the before one. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
One second.
Yes, sir. This is various
The message, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
which you started this meeting. I think this is your own meeting.
One second. Students, all of you turn on your videos first.
Sir, I think there's a problem with our videos. They are all flickering.
Some students it is okay, all of you. I'm
Sir,
reading the
sir,
names.
for everyone it is showing like that.
Okay. Okay. First is uses and history, and then started with the first sutra, that is ekadikena purvena. Ekadikena purvena means by one more than
One more than one.
the one before.
Yes, sir.
My book and okay. Today we are going to start additions by second sutra.
Yes, sir.
Along with the wait. Yeah. Along with these 3 points, any other points? Yeah, in the first sutra we explained with a 10-point circle. 10-point circle.
A 10-point circle and
What is the speciality?
100 combinations of 10 numbers.
No. That is after a 10-point circle. In 10-point circle, what is the speciality?
Sir, the last digit will
Branch.
be same.
In every branch,
The last
digits are
digit
And the last digit will be the same.
yeah, last digit is same in every branch.
Take 1 and 11. The last number is 1, so it is same.
Yeah, like 1, 11, 21. In another branch, 2, 22, 32, 42. Likewise, end numbers are same. That is one specialty. And one more specialty is opposite numbers.
multiples of 10.
Sum of opposite numbers is 10.
10.
Right? 1 and 9, 2 and
9,
8,
8.
3 and 7, and
Sir,
4
total
and
5 sets.
6.
Total 5 sets.
Yeah, how many combinations are there?
5 combinations.
5 combinations are there. What are those 5 combinations?
Sir, 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 6
Yes,
plus
1
4,
plus
5
9.
plus 5.
5
plus
plus
8.
9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7,
7.
4 plus 6, 5 plus 5, 3 plus 7.
And
Only
we
5.
cannot
Okay, 5.
yeah, we cannot form any more combinations to form 10 with the two numbers other than these 5. Right? And in Vedic maths, these 5 combinations are playing an important role, key role. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today, let's start with the next sutra, that is Purana Puranabhyam. Purana Puranabhyam. Yeah, wait. Kunal, read this one.
Yes, sir. Purnabhyam 1 by the completion or non-completion.
Okay, Ritvik, read this one.
Sir, Purna Bhayam.
No. Purana Puranabhyam.
Yeah.
Purana Puranabhyam.
Purnabhyam 1 by the completion or non-completion.
Yeah, Ishan, read this one. Ishan.
Yes, sir. Purnabhyam.
Purana.
Purnabhyam.
Yes.
By the completion or non-completion.
Yes, correct. Jaydeep, read it. Sorry.
Sir,
Puranabhyam. By the completion, non-completion. Completion or non-completion. Completion means any number, if we can make it 10, means we have completed it. If it is below 10, it is
Non-completed.
okay, it is incomplete. If it is below 10, it is incomplete. If we can make it 10, it will be complete. It may be 10 or multiples of 10 also. Multiples of 10 or powers of 10 also.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if there will be that, yes, sir. If there will be 35 plus 5, then also it will be completed because there will be 30.
For any number, it is okay. See once, here all of you can do these questions in a conventional method as we are learning in our school. That is okay. Try to don't use those things here. Try to use our techniques. Okay. See, 7 plus 5 is how much? If that is the question, immediately 12. You can tell the answer. But try to learn the approach. Try to learn the approach. That is okay. Try to learn the approach here. To complete this 7, how much is required?
Sir,
3.
3.
Sir.
3.
3. From where we'll take it 3? Take this 3?
From 5.
From 5. If you
then remaining will be 2.
Remaining number will be 2. And here we have completed
10 plus
10.
Completed 7.
We have completed
7,
10.
it will be 10 and this 2.
Plus 2.
Total number
Is
will
equals to 12.
okay.
So the answer is equals to 12.
From now onwards, try to do the questions in this way. Try to complete the numbers. Okay.
Now, but in 6 plus 4 is a direct.
It is just a natural addition. As we learnt in the previous class.
Not be natural. We can do like this.
Okay. Wait. When I am telling something, try to listen first. Okay. Later, ask your doubts. Okay. As we mentioned in the last class, any number combinations, any two numbers combinations, sum up to 10. Sum up to 10, we call them as a natural additions. So, is it a natural addition or not?
Yes, sir, it is a natural addition.
Yeah, 6 plus 4 is 10. Directly, we can write the answer as 10.
Sir, next one is also a natural addition.
Yeah, from here, you have to give the answer. I'll ask for one.
Sir, you would ask
by the completion or non-completion. So, we'll complete 4 first. To complete 4, how much is required?
Sir, to complete 4.
6 is required. Okay, I have taken 6, and the remaining number?
Sir,
10. 10, and this is also now 10. So, 2 numbers completed, that is 20.
Yes, sir.
To complete this 5, we need?
Sir,
5. We need 5.
We take 5 from 25. Then it will be 10, and another?
20.
Total number?
30.
Yes. And to complete this 7, we need?
We need 3.
3, and we'll take
It
it
is
from
10 and 10 plus 10 is equal to 20.
10 plus 10 is 20, correct. And to complete this 2, we need?
8.
8, and we'll take it from
10.
38.
Yes, sir.
Then it will be remaining number. 30, and this is 10.
40.
40 is the final answer. And to complete this 6,
4.
4, we'll take it from 54.
Remaining is 50. 50 plus 10,
This is
60.
And then we have completed 10. That's my total answer.
60. For the sir.
And one more thing here. To explain you, I am using pen here. Okay. You have to do these calculations mentally. Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
Don't use
we can
pen and-
we can note it or no need?
No need to note it. I'll give you the PDF. Okay. With annotation, I'll give you the PDF.
We have no need to notice.
No need to write. Okay, then 3. To complete 3,
We need 7, sir.
we need
seven.
7.
yes, sir.
Take it,
Then
if we take 7, then this will be
10 plus
40. 40.
Sir, 50 is
40.
our answer.
Yeah, 40 and this 7.
40 plus 10 is equal to 50.
Yeah, 40 and this 10 will be 50. And this one to complete 9,
1 we need, sir. 1 is
take
equal
1
to
from
60.
61.
So 60 plus 10 is equal to 70.
Yeah, this is 10 and this will be 60. Total answer will be 7.
70.
Okay. With this
Sir,
idea,
J1 is also there. 85 plus 5.
5.
where
So I need 5. So the remaining is 80. 80 plus 10 is equal to 90. So the answer is equal to 90.
where is it?
J1, sir. 85 plus 5.
85 plus 5.
85 plus 5. Okay, that where is it?
Uh,
You are
sir,
giving a new problem.
Right, J1.
Okay, okay. Let us do an exercise.
Okay.
First, we'll do one thing.
Sir, can I say this?
Wait. First, I'll explain one. First, I'll explain one. Listen to me first. Later, you try to solve these questions. Okay. And one more thing here. Any mathematical question, any mathematics problem can be solved in many ways. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Mathematical questions can be solved in many ways. So I'll show the 2 to 3 ways to solve this one. See here. First is 37 and 23. I'm writing this number as 30 and
50.
7. I'm writing this number as 20 and
3.
yeah, tell me 3. This is 30 and this is 20. And can we complete these two?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can add 7 plus 3 so is equal to 10.
10 and
So 30 plus 10.
30 plus 20 is already 50. And this is 10.
Yes, sir. 50 plus 10, 60, sir.
Total 60.
Sir,
This is
you can do it, sir.
Sir, can I tell another method?
Sir,
yeah, I am telling that another method. See here. One more method. 1 second. Some messages in the chat box. Yeah, is my voice is breaking?
No,
No, sir, your voice is not breaking.
Your voice is clear. Your voice is clear.
Okay. Maybe some network issue there. Maybe at your end. Shruti, what is this 70?
Answer is 70. B1.
sir, 72 plus 18, sir.
Excuse me, Srushti. Okay. Yeah, my voice is audible.
Sir, B1 is 80, sir. Answer. Sir, 70, sir. 70.
Wait. First question is not completed yet. I'm explaining the second way. See, 37. Later we'll see this one also. To complete this 37, I have already mentioned not only 10. Completion means not only 10. It can be any 10 multiples. 10 twos, 10 threes, 10 fours. It can be any 10 multiple. Okay. To complete 37, nearest number, complete number is
42.
40.
40.
40. So to complete it, to complete 37, how much is required? Means to get 40, to make it 40.
3.
3 is
sir.
required.
Sir,
Let us take 3 from 23. Then this will be 40. And the remaining number here?
30.
from 20 and
20.
40.
See,
plus
37 and 23.
This is the answer.
I'm taking 3 from 23.
Now I
to make it-
joined because of internet connection.
Sorry?
Because of internet connection, just now I joined.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. We have completed this 37 and we'll made it 40. And the remaining number here? 20, 40 and 20 will be 60. And one more way, can you tell? What is another way?
Sir, can I tell Raghav, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should write 37 plus 23 on
Okay.
top of each other. Yes, sir. Then 7 plus 3 is 10. So as it came as 10, we'll take a dot and keep it on top of 3.
7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. That is okay. Next.
Yes, sir. We'll keep 0 over there and we'll just carry and we'll keep the other one as dot on top of 3 and then we'll add
Okay.
3
Wait,
plus
wait.
2
You are telling this one. Wait. 37 and 23.
Just now I came. Can you explain what is this?
Additions by the principle Purana Puranabhyam. Additions by the Sutra Purana Puranabhyam. By the completion, non-completion. Completion means we have to make a we can make any number to 10 or 10 multiples. Okay.
Sir, I will complete accelerator.
Wait. You are telling this one. 7 plus 3 is 10, sir. That's why I'll write a 0 here and I'll make 1 as carry. And it's a
No,
That means we should do
it is a
adding.
conventional method. It is a conventional method. You already know
Sir,
this.
it is a easy. We can
No, sir.
dot on 2.
No, sir, I'm telling about that. We should keep a dot on top of 3.
Where this one?
Yes, no, sir, on top of 3, you should keep a dot.
Ashwad Reddy. Wait. All of you, wait. All of you. Ashwad,
So this
Sir, Raghav.
You should keep it on top of the units place 3.
wait. All of you, wait. Ashwad, come online.
Raghav, it's 2. We need to keep point above 2.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, students, dear students, wait.
Clear, sir.
Please wait. Ashwad, come on to the line. Ashwad, please speak.
Sir is not Ashwat sir. I think his name is
Sir,
Raghav
can you hear me,
sir.
sir?
Ashwad Reddy.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes. Tell me. My voice is not clear.
Sir, am I clear, sir? Sir,
Yeah, you text me something. Sir, your voice is not clear and it is breaking continuously.
Sir, means only we should do adding for this number.
sir, everyone's voice, sir.
Ashwad,
Sir, everyone's. Sir, yes, sir.
Ashwad, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Huh.
Sir, can
You
you hear me?
you sent me a message. Your voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
All of you, my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
it may be.
Sir, means we should do addition for these 2 digits.
Okay,
Sir,
we
just
are
now I
doing
came. Can you say?
additions only in Vedic type, Vedic methodology. Okay. We are doing additions only in Vedic methodology. Try to learn this one, learn this approach. If you learn these small concepts, we can do big questions also in without using pen and paper. Okay, mentally we can solve.
Sir, first you wrote na 37 plus 23 is equal to 30 plus 7 plus 20 plus 3.
This one,
No, sir, down. Yes, sir.
this
that
one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have to. This is one way of solving. That is I explained. 37 we can write 30 plus 7. 23 we can write 20 and 3. And by taking these two we can complete. That will be 10. And 30 and 20 already 50. 50 and 10 will be 60.
Sir, means it is easy way.
I'm not telling it is easy way. It is also one of the method, and this method will be useful further in future.
Okay, sir.
try to learn this. This is the in this way in our class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now tell me. For second question, you tell me the answer. How we can tell the get the answer.
Sir, can I?
Wait. The same person.
Sir, can I say please?
Sir, it's Kartikeya, sir.
Sir, Jayid, can I say please?
Sir, can I say, sir? Second
Jaydeep,
Sir, can I say?
Srishti, Chappa. Yes, tell me the answer.
Sir,
Sir, Jayid.
Sir,
Sir, Jayid.
Sir, can I say? Sir, Kunal, can I say?
Sir, can I say?
The answer is 70.
Sir,
The
Jayid.
answer is
All of you mute your voice. Srishti,
the
tell me.
answer is 70.
Answer is 70. That is okay. What is the approach?
Sir, 40 plus
Sir,
2
we should do 40 plus
8.
Wait. All of you wait.
Sir, Sai Kartikeya, can I tell? Sir, Sai Kartikeya.
2 and 8 will make.
Sir, can you explain again?
10
2 and 8 will
20
be
plus 8 is equal to
10.
70.
70, sir.
Yeah, 40 and 20, 60, and 2 and 8
C
makes
and plus 10
10.
Sir,
is equal to
70.
70.
Yes, correct.
Sir, Shivaprana is asking once again. Shall I explain, sir?
Yeah, tell me. 6 C. First number.
Shivaprana is 42 plus 28. 42 has the last number as 2 and 28 has the last number as 8. So you can bother 8 from the 28. That is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So 40 plus 20 plus 10 is the answer is 70. It is
Yes, very good. Very good. Yeah.
That's
Next.
it, sir. Sir, you don't
Sir,
like
can I say next
C.
one?
Who? Why you turn off your videos? Who?
Sir, one time it is closing and coming, sir.
Okay. Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me answer for C.
Yes, sir.
Can I say Sai Kartikeya?
Sir, the actual answer is 70, sir. By this method, I will tell you. First, we have
in
to
this-
separate the numbers, sir. So,
With this method only.
54 means 50 plus 4, and
Yes.
60 means 10 plus.
Yes.
As 6 plus 4 is 10, and 50 plus 10 is 60. So, 60 plus 10 is equals to 70, sir.
Yes, very good. 50 and 10, 60, and this 4 and 6 will make 10. Another 10. That will
Yes,
be 7.
sir.
Sir, B1 and C1 are same answer.
Yes,
You can
But
observe one
something
more thing.
different.
Wait. You can observe one more thing here. In how many ways we can form 70? Yes or no?
Sir, even D1
Yes,
is the
sir.
same. Sir, even D1 is the same.
Even all
Yes,
the
sir. D1 is also same. No.
Yes.
No.
Seven.
Is different, sir. No, sir. D1 is not same. D1 is not same. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anybody
Sir,
tell the answer?
D1 is not there. Okay. Sir, it is here, sir. I did not see it. I am not able to view because here all the participants list are there.
Yeah, you can put it on your left side. You can move it onto your left side.
Okay, sir. I'm moving it.
D1 is same. Sir, D1 is same.
D1 is same.
D1 is same,
Yeah,
sir.
therefore not
Say
same,
that
ma'am.
D1 is
Rona,
same.
Yeah.
wait. All of you mute.
Yes,
Drona?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, D. Explain D.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We
can
have to, we have to split the both numbers, sir.
Yeah, how?
Split. By removing it's 49, we have to remove 9 and make it 40. And in
Yeah, 9.
21, we have to remove 1 and take 20.
Yes, correct. Then
Then we have to add them, sir.
yeah, add them.
Add them, and again we'll if we add the both numbers, we'll get two different numbers, and we have to add those numbers too, so we'll get the answer, sir.
Yeah, what is that answer? Explain that one. You are telling the
That's
process.
70. That's 70,
That's
sir.
70.
Yeah, 40 and this 20,
B,
60,
C, D
and 9 and
are
1
same.
complete 10. So
It's
total answer will be
70, sir. It's
70.
70.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Next,
Sir, can I?
Yeah, who?
Srushti, sir.
Srushti, tell me the solution, sorry, procedure for E.
Sir, first we need to do 40 plus 5.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah,
it's
we
80.
can solve in that way also. To complete this 45, we need 5, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can I
We'll
take
take
that?
Sir, answer is
35.
80 answer.
Sir,
So
the
this
answer is 80, sir.
Answer is okay, but I need approach.
Sir,
Sir,
40
can I
plus 5, which is equal, sir.
Yes, the answer.
Yeah, 45. How to complete
Sir,
45?
40 plus 5,
Sir,
30 plus
40
5
plus 5.
is equal
Then
to 45 plus 35 is equal to 80.
Yes, that is okay. Very good. Directly also we can say 5 and 5 make 10, and this is 40 and 30 remaining. 40 and 30. Because this is 1's place and it is 10's place. That's why I'm mentioning it as 5 and 5 only. But I am mentioning 4 and 30. 4 and 3 as 40 and 30. Observe this.
90 sir, answer.
45 and 35. Wait. Observe
80.
this.
80, not 90 answer.
Wait. When I am explaining, please wait. When I am explaining, listen to me. While I am mentioning 5, I am simply reading it as 5. But when I am reading it, this one, I'm not reading this one as 4. I'm reading it as 40. Yes or no? This is 40
Yes,
and
sir.
5.
40 plus 5.
30 and 5.
And 30 plus 5 is equal to 45 plus 35.
Yeah, we can take 5 and 5 and we can complete it as 10. 40 and 30 is 70. 70 and this 10 is
80.
80. Next,
Sir,
anybody?
Sir, Shiva Pranav.
90.
Shiva Pranav, tell me F.
Sir, 70 plus 2
Yes,
plus 10. Sir, 70 plus 2 plus 10 plus 8.
10 and 8. Right.
Sir, we have to add 8 plus 2.
Yes, correct. 8 and 2.
Sir, answer is 90 sir then.
Sir,
Yes,
90 sir,
70.
answer.
Correct. 7, 10, 10. and
Shall I
this is-
say G?
Sir, 60. Answer is 60 for G. Sir, answer is 60 for G.
Sir, can I tell the approach for that?
Sir,
Who
30
is that
plus
one?
8 plus 20 plus 2
Please, 38
is
plus
equal to
22
38 plus 22 is equal to 60.
When one person is speaking, we should not speak. Other person should not speak. Only one person.
Sir, I'm speaking.
Sir, Sai Karthik
Sir, 38 plus 22, which 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So 30 plus 20 plus
60.
10 is equals to 60.
Yes, very good.
Sir,
8
Sir,
and 2
please
is
tell-
10. 30 and
Sir,
20.
please tell. Sir, ask individually, sir. Sir, please ask individually, sir. Sai Karthikeya is asking and all are telling, sir.
Yes. That is what I am telling.
Sir,
Sir,
I am waiting for my
Other
turn, but Kunal is not waiting. Sir.
Other person should not speak. Only one person at a time. Okay.
Sir, otherwise mute all. When you need, you can unmute.
That is a time-based process. You can mute and unmute yourself only.
Sir, next one Sai Karthik, can I say?
Sir, Sai Karthikeya is all.
Okay, right.
Sir, almost Kunal is talking.
All of you mute yourself. Yeah, next we are going to see the next sutra. That is, you can read it now. Yavadunam.
By the deficiency.
Yavadunam.
By the deficiency.
By the deficiency.
Yes, that one is.
Okay. Now you can mute yourself. By the deficiency, already we are seeing this one only. How much is the deficient? Suppose, see the question number A. Question number A. 37 is close to
40.
37 is close to 40, and it is how much below that 40?
30.
No, just 3 below. 37
Sir,
is
it's
close
3.
to 40, close to 40,
And
3
below 3.
Yes. 49 is close to
50.
50, sir, and is 1 below.
Sir,
One below.
Sir,
Oh,
68 is close to 70 and
68 is close to
And
2.
Sir, 70 is sir, 70.
Sir,
is below
70 and
2.
Sir, 72 is above, sir.
1.
it is 70, close to 70, and
70 and it is below, not below, sir. It is above.
no. It is 68 is 2 below 70.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
68 is 2 below 70. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose if
You
I-
are taking from 70. Okay, I'm
Which is-
taking from 68.
How much is required to get 70? That is the one.
2. Okay.
Okay, now
40 is 3 below to the 37. Okay.
suppose if it is above, because it is a deficiency, we are telling about below only. If it is above, suppose 43 is near to, and above. If this is the question, then
43 is near to 45.
No, it is near to 7 above. Okay, above. It is.
45, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
no.
Sir, 40. The answer is 40.
Near to 40
Sir,
and
40. 40. Yes. 3.
3 is near to 40, and it is
40.
3.
Sir, 40 above 3. 40
above.
above 3 is 43.
Yes.
Sir,
But
how
here
about
we are discussing
for the
about
student.
deficiency.
You cannot take 45 because the 0.
Yeah, because it is not a multiple of 10.
Sir means
Pi is a multiple. Pi is a multiple of 10, but we cannot take.
5 is not a multiple of 10.
Oh, not. Okay. Sorry, sir. I was
Okay.
confused.
Wait. Somebody keep on messaging. Yeah, some persons are telling, all of you are shouting, sir. We cannot hear your voice. So that's why only I am telling
sir,
you
you
first.
called
Sir,
the
please tell all in mute, sir. Kunal will not mute.
Sir, Ritvik is short.
That is what I am
Sir,
first from
wait,
first onwards I am telling. All of you
Sir,
mute
I was muted, sir.
yourself.
okay, sir.
Mute yourself, all of you. Now see how much silent it is. Okay. Right. The next exercise. See here, by the deficiency and completion together. Till now, what we have done, we have to use both of them, by the deficiency and by the completion.
Sir, we need to add them and
completion
find
the
that
first process,
deficiency,
sir,
sir.
that we're
Don't
dividing
simply
40
add,
plus 9 like that, sir.
As in the previous method only. 49. To complete this 49,
Means
how
we
much
have
is required?
to separate them. Means 40 plus 9 like that.
1. We'll take 1 from.
5.
If we take 1 from 5, this will be.
Then 5 will become 4.
4.
4.
Sorry, this will be
40
50, and it will be.
4.
and 4.
The answer will be.
54.
54.
Now, Kunal, you mute.
Yes, sir.
Aditya, are you there?
Okay.
Aditya. Aditya. Jaideep. You can unmute yourself, whose name I have mentioned. Okay. Jaideep.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Wait. Who is having doubt? Pardon?
Sir, Sai Karthikeya.
Hi, Karthikeya. First of all, tell me your doubt.
Sir, there 49 minus 5 na. First A1.
Sorry.
Sir,
49?
A1 is 49 minus 5.
No. It is 49 plus 5.
Sir, there minus. Oh, okay, sir.
Now clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. Now, who is that one? Jaideep. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Explain B.
Yes, sir. So to become 58 as 60, we need to borrow 2 from 3. So
Very good.
58 becomes 60 and 3 becomes 1. If we add them, it will become as 60, and 60 is greater than 61 is greater than 60.
Yes, 60 and 1. 60, if it adds with 1, then answer will be 61. Yes, very good. Correct. 58 is 2 less by 60. So we have to bring 2 from 3, and this will be 1. So this will be 60 and this is 1. Answer will be 61. Right. Mahavir,
Yes, sir.
explain C.
Sir, sir, actually, like I joined late, but I'll try to do it.
Okay, no problem. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What you understood that.
Sir, so 37 is 3 less than 40.
Yes, very good.
So we need to do 6 minus 3, so it will be 3.
Yes, correct. It will be 3.
So like 4 and 3, so it will be 43.
Yes, correct. 37 is the 3 less by 40. We have to bring that 3 from 6. So then it will be completed 40. And
Yes.
the remaining number 3. So total 43. Correct. Then D. Jagruti. Jagruti. Jagruti, are you there?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah. Who?
Sir, we should take 1 from 5. So it
Jagruti
will
only?
become 50.
Sir, we should take.
Wait. Who is telling this answer?
Ritvik, sir.
Ritvik. Where is Jagruti then? Okay, Ritvik, tell me the answer. Explain.
Sir, 49 plus 5. So we should take bother 1 from 5. So it will become 50 and remaining will be 4. So the answer 50 plus 4 is equal to 54.
Okay. But now we are solving which question, A or D?
Sir,
Yes, sir, but you have, I think anyone has doubts, so you went to B and C. So now we should complete A, sir, 49 plus 5.
Yeah, I have explained
Sir,
this question only. To solve all these
Yes,
questions, I have
Yeah.
explained this question only.
Sir, can I say D, Sai Karthikeya? Can I say D?
Who?
Sai Karthikeya.
Sai Karthikeya. Wait.
Sir, can I say E?
Wait. Somebody is there in chat box. Right. D. Sai Karthikeya. Explain this.
Sir, for 28 to become 30, it will take 2.
Okay. From where?
Jagruti.
Sir, we should take from 6 to, it will become 4. 6 will become 4.
6 will be 4.
Sir, now you should do 30 plus 4 is equal to 34.
Yeah, this will become 30 and it is 4. Total will be 34. Correct.
34.
Jait, explain E. Jait. Jait, are you there? Just raised a hand but not responding. Why some people are not responding and why all the people are in video in off mode?
Sir, like today, like it's coming like something like it's coming like web WhatsApp live meeting. So like it needs the computer permission. So I need to go to the settings first. But now like I can't go to the settings, right? So this class I will not be able to on my video.
For you only, all of them? All of them.
Sir,
Sir,
for
for
me,
everyone it's the same.
Then why it is able to see?
sir, for everyone it is the same. Sir, for everyone it is the same. The people who have allowed it, like who have allowed it, then they can on their video.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can I say
Yeah,
one
sir,
answer?
I allowed.
Shiv Pranav. Okay, rejoined again. Lohini, are you ready for E?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, explain.
Sorry, can I explain again? I have internet connection current gone.
Okay, you can go with F. Lohini, explain E.
Okay, sir. 79 is closer to 80. If
Okay.
so, we have to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And
Don't use the terminology like plus minus. We'll take it, we'll remove it, use the terminology. Okay. We'll take 1 from 6. Okay.
we take 1 from 6 is 5. And 79 will become 80. And 80 plus 5 is equal to 85.
Very good.
The
Correct.
answer is 80.
We'll take 1 from 6 and we'll make it, made it 80. And the remaining here, 580 and 5 will be 85. Correct. Then F, Shiv Pranav. F. Shiv Pranav.
Sir, can I?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Sir, please give me one time, sir.
Sir, I don't know, sir. Shall I tell 38 plus 7?
Kunal Reddy. Wait. Kunal Reddy.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yeah, explain F.
Yes, sir. Sir, in 38 for 7, how many numbers we need to make 7, sir? 3. So I will take from 8. I will take 3. So then it will become 5. Then it will become 10. 35 plus 10, it will become 45. So the answer is 45.
Yes, very good. Correct. But it is not necessary, but it is suggestible that always try to complete the bigger numbers first.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I have a doubt. How we can take 5, sir? 35. We have to take the multiple of 10.
Sir.
No. He has, instead of completing 38, Kunal completed 7 first.
Yes, sir.
7 will become 5.
Yeah,
Yes,
he
sir.
had made it 7, 10. If you
40
take
plus 5.
3 from 8, 38, it will be 35. 10 and
Yes,
35.
Sir, but we can do in the form of 38 plus 2, 38, the border from the 7 to the type also, no, sir?
Yeah, these are the 2 ways. There are 2 ways, but suggestible is completing the bigger number first is suggestible.
45. Sir, answer is
Sir, you can explain again, sir.
Yeah, I'm explaining again. Keep your voice in mute, all of you. It is better. We may complete 38 first, or we may complete 7 first. It is better to complete a bigger number first. So how much is required to get to complete 38 is 2, because it is near to 10 and it is 2 less by 40. Sorry, near to 40 and 2 less by 40. So if we take 2 from 7, then this will be 5, and we have completed this one as a 40. So this is 40 and 5.
Sir, how 5 sets and 6, no, sir?
Sorry.
No, when we take 2 from 7, it will become 5 now. How
Yeah,
it will
when we
become
take 2 from 7, it will be 5 now.
5? How
That's
it will become 6?
Okay, then Aditya, are you there? Why some people are not responding? Maybe their
Sir,
video is
can
not
I-
in on condition. They may be not in front of that.
Sir,
Ishan?
actually, our internet is.
Sir, we can, sir.
Yes, sir. My
Ishan?
camera is not right, sir. You can see it.
Ishan, can you explain G?
Yes, sir. 57 plus 7. So you can see that 57, 63 different. So there are 4 extra left.
Sorry?
Answer will be 64.
I don't need answer. I need explanation. How you got is that 64?
Sir, can I?
Wait.
Sir, can I tell answer?
Sir, can I?
Ishan, explain this.
Yes, sir. You have to. So there are from 57 to 60, there are only 3. So
Okay.
you can cut off 3 of the 7.
50
you
from
can give
where?
3 from the 7
Okay, right.
to the 57. So then that will become 60.
It will be 60. And the remaining?
And then the remaining will be 4. So answer will be 64.
Very good, correct.
Sir, H1 can I say? Sir,
And
H1 can I
last
say?
question.
H1.
Next
Sir,
one is
H1 can I say? Next.
Sir, can I say I didn't even get one chance?
Sir,
Sir,
Please, sir.
sir, can I?
in the next class we'll do
Sir, Kunal get last only.
No, nothing is going to happen, sir. Please, sir, can I?
in the
do
next
it?
class we'll do one thing. In the chat box you have to type your names. I'll assign those questions. Okay. Now
Yes,
it is
sir.
not. It is not now. From the next class. Okay.
Sir, last question, sir. I'll tell you.
And this will be silent mode.
Sir,
Sir.
Kunal played, sir. Sir, can I?
Who is going to answer the last
Sir,
question?
Kunal, sir.
Sir, I
Sir,
didn't
can I?
even get one
No.
chance.
The person
can I?
who Sai Karthikeya already answered. Aditi. Aditi, can you answer?
Can I answer?
Aditi,
Sir,
can you answer?
Jay.
Aditi. Vedika?
Sir, I'm Jagruti. Can I answer?
Yeah, Jagruti, answer this one. H.
So, sir, that is 69, 69, sir. So we should minus 1 from 4. So it will become
5
70.
minus 1?
Sir, it's 69 now, sir. So we should minus
To
4 from
complete
us.
69. Try to learn the terminology also. To complete 69, we need. Tell me.
1, sir.
To complete 69, we need.
Sir, can I say?
Jagruti, please respond.
Yes.
Sir, can I say? Ritvik.
No. Jagruti.
Sir, complete 70, we should minus 1 from 4. So it becomes 70.
Again, you are using the same terminology. Your answer is correct and you are explaining correctly, but this is the way to while solving the question.
Sir, Raghav, I didn't even get one chance. Can I tell?
Who? Raghava?
Yes, sir.
Raghav, explain this H.
Yes, sir. To complete 69, we need 1. So that 1 we'll take it from 4. So 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. So 70 plus 3 is 73. So that's the
correct.
answer.
This is 70 and that will be 3. Total answer will be
73.
73. Okay.
Yes, sir, 73. Sir, it will become 74.
It will be 74.
Sir, it will be 73.
73 only.
73 only. I think that's same method as Raghav said.
Okay, 73 only. If we go to the next exercise. Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here.
Yes, sir.
What is written? What is there in the on the top?
Mental addition. Sir, mental addition.
Mental addition.
Mental addition means you should not do any scratch work.
Sir, time is 5:03, sir.
Wait. You should not do any scratch work or you should not do any paperwork. Okay. You have to do them mentally. Mentally means using the concepts. We are already discussing those concepts. Purna Purnabhyam by the deficiency. Completion by the completion or in non-completion.
First one answer is 84.
Wait. When I am explaining something, try to listen first. Okay.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Right.
Is this homework?
Let me explain 37 and 47. 37, we can write it as, we can split this number as
30 plus 7. 30 plus 7.
and 7.
Sir, next one 40 plus 7. Sir, next one 40 plus 7. Sir, is equal to 84
Wait.
because 30 plus 7 is 30 plus 7
All of you
is
don't
plus
shout.
7. 37 plus 47, 84.
30 and 40 will be 70. This 7 and 7 is
84.
40.
84.
The total answer will be
84.
Sir, from 70, how you got this? How can you add this 14 directly? Means this is already completed just now. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We should
How-
add because
how-
7 plus 7 is equal to 14. We should add
No,
70
no,
plus
7
14.
plus 7. No, 7 plus 7. Separate this number. Split this number as 10 plus 4. Don't say 7 plus 7. 10 plus 4. Because we need 10 or 10 multiples.
Sir means 14.
So 70 plus
plus
that
1,
10
14.
is 80 and extra 4. So total answer will be 84.
84.
Okay. Don't do these
Yes,
questions in this method 37 and 47. You can do that. Already you know that. But try to learn this approach. This approach will be helpful to do the calculations mentally without using pen and paper. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Uh,
sir. Sir, can I say 50 B1?
Sir, can I say B1?
Sir,
can I say B1?
Mahira
Sir,
is
can
there.
I say B1? Sir, time is up, sir.
Sir, Shrishti didn't even get one chance.
No,
so
sir,
let
you
her
only
say.
say.
Srishti, you have answered all the questions in the chat box. That's why I did not ask you.
But sir, that was chat, sir. Please, sir.
Okay.
Kunal did not got chance, sir. Kunal.
Wait. Srishti,
Sir, Kunal got, sir.
Yes,
Wait,
sir,
wait.
I got the chance.
All right.
Srishti, explain B. All of you, mute yourself. Srishti, explain B.
Sir, we need to write 55 plus 28, 50 plus 5.
Yeah, 50 split into 50 and 5.
Plus
Then
5.
28,
Then 20 plus 8.
20 and 8, right. Next is,
Sir, 50 plus 20, we need to add them, sir.
okay, that will be
70.
70. Keep it in your mind, 70. As of now, it is 70. Next,
Sir, then we need to add 8 plus 5, which is
8
13.
and 5. If you add that,
So it's 13, sir. 8 plus 5.
13. Already you have 50 in the mind. Sorry, 70 in the mind. And this 13,
Sir, we need to add them now.
add
Say the
the,
answer.
add and tell the answer.
Sir, 83.
Yes, very good. Time is
Sir,
over.
add this homework or we need to solve this
Sir,
now?
can we do this as homework?
is over.
Sorry.
Yes, sir, give it.
Sir, time is over.
Okay, let us do one thing. I'll give some homework to you. Don't do those calculations using calculator or the techniques of, what are already you are doing.
Okay, sir.
Try to do them mentally without using pen and paper, using our techniques. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, then you keep tomorrow or day after tomorrow, please.
Next our class,
Sir,
our next class will be on Thursday.
Sir, tomorrow only quiz will be.
Sir,
No quiz in the form of subjective, ma'am said.
Yes, we'll have math subjective.
Yes. Sir, again we have class on Friday, Thursday.